Want to see what I got for lumber right here? That's all wood from Chris Crafts. All right, we got some Macassar Ebony MDF, some Wingate MDF, some Mahogany Sapele, what's that, 3/8 MDF, but what else? Some different thickness, 1/4 inch plywood. But you know how much of this was bought at the store? None of it. This one here is right here is 3/4 inch 4x8 sheet of plexiglass. Do you know how heavy a piece of 3/4 inch 4x8 plexiglass is? And then have a bunch of stuff piled on top of it. That was so hard. That was back before I had health issues, and I was actually able to dig that out. Now I wouldn't be able to do it, and that's unfortunate. But anyways, more plywood, part of the bowling lanes. These things are sweet. The maple burl or maple bird's eye maple, leftover parts from the furniture store. Me trying a different track setup. But yeah, so all this stuff, all the metal parts that are not used. Those bins are all doors. Batteries, motors, more parts from the plow. Oh, here's more parts from the plow right here.